Hey everyone, it's Deanna. If you are one of those people who has your tech platform dialed in, you're happy with what you've got, you confidently update your WordPress site, you go out there and launch your courses and membership sites with no qualms about your technology, go ahead and go away because this isn't going to be for you. That's not me. I don't know what I'm doing. I hate WordPress. I don't know what website platform to choose. I've taken all these courses and they've taught me wonderful things like how to build a list and how to sell with webinars and how to have a profitable membership site. But when it comes to the technology, you feel pretty lost. If that's you, then this broadcast is for you. One of the biggest mistakes that I see that online entrepreneurs are making right now is that whole FOMO, fear of missing out. And that I think deep down, a lot of us believe there is a magic bullet. And there is no magic bullet. There honestly isn't. Not a magic bullet for every business and every individual. And it just comes down to you, your personality, your learning style, and how you like to interact with technology. Everyone is looking for that one piece of tech that is going to solve all their problems. And every time something new comes out, I see a lot of people reacting, hoping that this is it. This is the one. I'll give you a perfect example. Recently, there was a product that was launched, and that is out there. I'm going to do a review of it very soon. It's called Kartra. And immediately, there was just, what about this? And does it integrate with that? And this and this and this? Because people were praying and hoping for the magic bullet that was going to remove every obstacle from them making progress in their business because of technology, that there was something that was going to solve everything. Let's be honest, there's a lot of affiliate programs. So people who are promoting ClickFunnels or Kajabi or any number of other tools, they may have a financial interest in you selecting that tool through them. And full disclosure, I'm an affiliate for a lot of products, but I'm more concerned about people getting the right product that's going to help them do what they're trying to accomplish. Affiliate income is great. And I only recommend products that I've had experience with and I think they fulfill a need and they are right for a particular type of business or personality. Should I use Kajabi or should I use Kartra? Should I use WordPress or use WordPress with a membership plugin, or should I use Kajabi? It all depends on where you're at in your business and your specific level of comfort with technology and your willingness to put in the time. Too many tools, too many shiny objects, too many fear of missing out because maybe this next tool is the one that's going to solve all your problems. Not going to happen. I mean, I want you to find the right tool that will no doubt help propel you forward in your business. But what I don't want is not making a choice or not analyzing and trying to get to the right choice and making it work for your business. And then you get stalled, because I think that happens a lot. I really do. If this is something that's holding you back in your business, or something that you feel if you could start to get some answers and start to share some of your frustrations and look for some of these solutions that would help you, then I want to invite you to join a new free Facebook group that I just put together, literally just put together this week. And in thinking of a name, I mean, what else could it be but taming tech overwhelm, right? Because that's the word. So this is the link. It's kind of long, but if you just do Taming Tech Overwhelm with Deanna Fenton in Facebook, in that little search bar, it's going to pop up. And you can answer a couple quick questions, mostly related to what's your single biggest challenge right now and what's holding you back. And what are you looking for in a group like this? I will be doing Facebook Lives in that group. We'll be talking about certain tools. So once again, it's Deanna Fenton. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.